Hi guys, I'm Kenisha and welcome to Crave Cook. Today we will be making the most delicious Christmas rice ever. Alright, the recipe and the ingredients will be in the description box. So let's jump right into this video. There I added some melted butter and oil. Then I go in with my diced onion, celery. Then I'm adding my ginger, garlic, and habanero peppers. Now that is optional. Allow this to cook for about 2.5 minutes. Then you are going to add your washed basmati rice. That is the rice I absolutely love. Alright, allow this to toast for about 3 to 5 minutes. Continue to stir. Then we are going in with our seasoned stock. You can also use the vegetable stock, that is just fine. But make sure to adjust your seasoning here to your likeness and taste. Allow this to steam. Alright, and this is what it looks like. You can go ahead and add some green onions, parsley, and use a fork to fluff this out. Allow this to cool just a little bit. Then we're going in with our cherries. Yes, guys. This is going to bring the Christmas feeling. Absolutely amazing and delicious. I did add some raisin, not a lot, but you can omit that. Then I go in and I saute some diced carrots and green bell peppers. I pour the rice in for about 2 minutes. Fry that up. Pour that out. Add your garnish. Absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. I hope you guys make this one. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. You guys have a wonderful holiday. Bye-bye.